Okay, today I'm back to work on the old Dodge. We're gonna try and fix some interior lights on this thing. They've never worked since I've got it. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at it and dive into it. I suspect like a door switch, but we're gonna check on that. Okay. Okay, so coming in the vehicle here, you got your door switches that are in your door. And just looking right off the bat, with that in the out position, maybe wiggle it a little bit, the interior light should come on. And nothing. So another thing you're gonna want to check is is a fuse in here. So you want to go ahead and check I think it's fuse 13 on this truck, illumination fuse. I checked that and it's good. So probably check that first thing, just easiest. So that's good. And then another thing, we know the light bulbs work because if we turn this knob on our dash, the interior lights come on. So that means the bulbs are good. On my passenger side, it's actually missing the whole door switch. So I went ahead and like pick two of them up from Reeves. And I'm gonna just plug one in and see what we get. Okay, so we got the missing door switch here. We got the plug on the inside. It's a 3-pin plug. Only 2 pins actually. There's 2 wires going to it, but it's got 3 pins. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just plug this into here and see if the interior lights come on. Oh, and look at that. So the interior lights are on. You push the button in, they go off, on, off. Okay, so looks like on this side, to get this light working on when you open this door, we gotta put that switch in. Now let's go back to the driver's side. Got my little Harbor Freight toolkit out here. This one looks like a little bit more of a pain. So you gotta kind of push your brake pedal or parking brake lever down and reach up in here. And you can just barely feel the wire behind this thing. See it wiggling a little bit? See this? But we're gonna go ahead and take the screwdriver, just pop this guy out. You might have to reach your hand behind there and wiggle the wires to get a little bit of slack. We're gonna go ahead and unplug it. And I suspect that it's just the switch got corroded in there. That's why it's not working. We're gonna go ahead and plug a new one in and see if they come on. Yes, there we go. Oh yeah, look, we got interior lights. Push the pin in, out. Okay, so the next thing is gonna be adjusting these guys. You can see that this one sits a lot further in. This one's gonna stick out a lot further. And you don't want to break these parts, I guess. Get a smaller screwdriver real quick. Okay. I wonder, you kind of just put this in the door and it self-adjusts? I don't like that, but I guess. So if you push down hard enough, this will start to move down. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, push this into the door, and then close the door. Slowly, I guess. Put you right in there. Okay. So here we go. Go ahead and plug this thing in. Door I think to get it to clip good, you want to do it like that first. Push that in, then push that guy in. Man. Okay, so here we go. Got the new switch here. We're gonna go ahead and open this guy up. So when we put it in, it's not pushing these little barbs out. So it's a snug fit on this side. Then we're gonna try and get it lined up to what we think the old one was at. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, and that's it. We got interior lights all working. We got 2 new door switches installed. And yeah, here we go from there. You can see by pushing this door switch in that both interior lights go out. It works on the driver's and the passenger side now. Okay, till next time.